When it comes to upgrading your home, replacing old, drafty windows is one of the smartest investments you can make. Whether you're looking to increase energy efficiency, boost curb appeal, or simply refresh your interior, choosing the best replacement windows in Ferndale requires careful consideration. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to make an informed, customer-focused decision. Understand your needs and goals before you start comparing products or scheduling consultations. Take a moment to identify what you want from your new windows. Are you most concerned about lowering energy bills? Reducing outside noise? Improving ventilation? Enhancing your home's resale value? Ferndale homeowners often face fluctuating weather patterns, so energy efficiency is typically a top priority. However, if you live near a busy road or have a scenic backyard, soundproofing and expansive views may matter just as much. Choose the right window style. There's a wide variety of window types, each offering different benefits. Consider the following options. Double-hung windows. These are a traditional favorite in Ferndale homes. They provide excellent ventilation and are easy to clean. Casement windows. Hinged on the side and opening outward, these are great for catching breezes and sealing tightly for energy efficiency. Sliding windows. Ideal for rooms with limited space. They offer wide views and easy operation. Bay or bow windows. These protrude from the house, adding extra space and natural light. Perfect for living rooms and reading nooks. Think about which style best complements the architecture of your home and meets your lifestyle needs. Look for energy efficiency features. Ferndale's climate, cold winters and warm summers, makes energy-efficient windows a must. Here's what to look for. Low E glass. This invisible coating reflects heat while allowing light to pass through. Double or triple pane glass. These layers are separated by insulating gas, usually argon or krypton, that reduces heat transfer. Energy Star certification. This ensures the windows meet strict energy efficiency guidelines tailored to your region. Investing in efficient windows can dramatically reduce your heating and cooling costs throughout the year. Consider frame materials. The window frame plays a big role in durability, appearance, and performance. Popular choices include vinyl. Affordable and low maintenance, vinyl windows resist moisture and won't warp. Wood. Known for their classic look and insulation, wood frames require regular upkeep to prevent rot. Fiberglass. Extremely strong and energy efficient, fiberglass can handle Ferndale's seasonal changes with ease. Aluminum. Sleek and modern, but less insulating, best for temperate climates or specific architectural styles. Balance aesthetic preference with long-term maintenance and performance. Hire a trusted local installer. Even the best window won't perform well if it's poorly installed. Look for local Ferndale window contractors with solid reviews and references, proper licensing and insurance experience with homes similar to yours, warranties that cover both product and installation. And a reputable installer will provide a free consultation, answer your questions, and explain the process from start to finish. Compare warranties and customer support. Quality windows come with warranties that cover materials and workmanship. Read the fine print. Some warranties are prorated or only valid if installed by a certified professional. Also, ask about customer support policies in case you need service or repairs in the future. Final thoughts. Choosing the best replacement windows in Ferndale isn't just about picking the most expensive product. It's about finding the right balance between performance, style, and value. By considering your unique needs, understanding your options, and working with trusted professionals, you'll make an upgrade that adds comfort, beauty, and efficiency to your home for years to come.